where the strongest typhoon of the year has been punishing the southern island of Mindanao for many hours. Thousands of families are riding out the storm in shelters. The island is in lockdown mode. This is what it looked like as Super Typhoon Bopar roared ashore. The storm is an odd one. It formed late in the season and hit much farther south than most typhoons. In fact, Mindanao had never been struck by such a powerful typhoon up until now.
More than 41,000 people in the Philippines have fled to evacuation shelters as Typhoon Bopar makes landfall. It's bringing winds of up to 210 kilometers per hour. President Benigno Aquino says the typhoon could be the strongest to hit the country this year.
Initially, we thought this typhoon was going to be really big. If you look at just how strong it was and how much rain it was packing before it hit the Philippines, it was thought at one stage 3 times as the wind speed was thought to be 3 times as much, and the amount of rain it was carrying 2 times as much as the typhoon which hit the same area about the same time last year. And that killed 1,300 people. So people here were really worried that this was going to be a major disaster. It's still pretty early. We're still getting information from different areas, and the typhoon still has to traverse across Mindanao, the southern island, and then across central Philippines as well. But I've just been speaking to somebody in Davao City, one of the first areas to be hit, Davao Oriental, which is on the southwest of the Philippines, of Mindanao Island. And they said that actually things weren't quite as bad as they thought they would be. And the same thing in Cagayan de Oro, the area that was hit last year. A lot of people have evacuated this time, something that they didn't do last time. As you said, 40,000 people now thought to have evacuated. So there's been a lot more preparedness. The president has been on television just yesterday saying that he thought people should leave, that this wasn't a joke, they needed to leave, this was a big typhoon. And so people are hoping that with all these preparations that there will be nothing like the number of casualties that there were last year. But this typhoon is very strong, so we're still waiting to see how much damage it causes.